This video is brought to you by Grandeur Warranty, your #1 online source for factory-backed extended warranties in the country.
Hey Andre, everybody loves a V8, including you, because you bought that old Toyota Tundra V8, but there is a price to pay for more cylinders.
What is that?
That is fuel economy, of course. That V8 is thirsty, my man.
Well, how about we do this? How about we run the Denver 100 MPG loop on the highway, and you might be surprised by this old V8.
Yeah, I'll be surprised just how bad it is at the fuel pump. All right, let's do that. So let's make a bet.
What?
I bet you that this new Tundra with the turbocharged 6-cylinder is at least 5 MPG better than that old V8.
I'm gonna go under. I'm gonna say less than 5 better.
All right, and the winner buys
Bagels!
bagels. The TFL bet, bagels. Shh, don't tell Andre, but I have a card up my sleeve, and that is that this new Tundra has a little bit of a spoiler that deploys above 40 miles an hour, making this much more, a little bit more aerodynamic, giving me better fuel economy.
Roman, it's just a double chin, okay? You have a double chin down there.
You weren't supposed to know, Andre. You wrecked the surprise. He knew.
Roman, you might have a double chin, but I have a double hood scoop, which are not functional.
Wait, you have a double fake hood scoop.
Yes.
And you turned your snorkel around. Is that for aerodynamic reasons, Andre?
Exactly. Anything. I will do anything to get efficiency, okay? Well, this is a good old 5.7 liter V8 I-Force, 381 horsepower, but it is backed up by a 6-speed automatic, which is not a lot of gears, and my rear axle is really like a heavy-duty one, which is good for reliability, but not good for efficiency.
What is the rear axle ratio?
430 to 1.
And one last question, Andre. Did you pump your tires up to like 80 PSI?
No.
I have to go and check to make sure that you're not riding?
I can show you my TPMS.
All right,
I'm okay.
I believe you. Hey, Andre, not only do I have 2 fewer cylinders, but I got a little bit more horsepower than you, 389.
Yeah, and you also have a lot more torque than me.
Yeah, and I've got 4 more gears, so I've got a 10-speed. Plus, I have a 331 rear end, which is good, as you know, for fuel economy. Not great for towing, but good for fuel economy.
Yeah, this is going to be a tough one.
So you still want to stick with that bet? 5?
Yes.
You think it's going to be less than 5?
Yes, the difference will be less than 5.
Okay, all right. I think it's going to be more than 5. I'm already tasting that veggie bagel, Andre.
We are at our standard gas station for this loop. We're going to run 111 miles on a toll road all the way around Denver, Colorado. And we're using 87 octane. I'm using it and Roman is using it.
Hey, Andre, you should use that green pump.
This green one?
Yeah, use that green one.
Oh, is this better?
Yeah, that's better. That gets better. Everybody tells you the green pump gives you better fuel economy.
I heard that. It's green for the environment.
Hey, Andre, how come you got a cover here? This is not fair. This is going to help you. Are you cheating already?
Well, no. Well, this is a cover that came with the truck. It's a Toyota accessory, and it's difficult to remove, so I didn't remove it for this video.
So your excuse is you're too lazy to remove it.
Yes.
To get better fuel economy. You know what? I don't care, because we should run them as they are. Because guess what?
What?
I have an eco mode.
Ugh.
Yeah, and you are such a bad actor, dude.
Now that's a real truck.
I think you use the green stuff.
By the way, Roman.
Yeah.
Did I tell you that this Tundra has a 38-gallon tank?
Yeah, it needs it, dude.
It's almost heavy duty.
Yeah, it needs it because it sucks gas.
I think it's gonna break my credit card, Roman.
Hey, wait. Are you using the company card?
Yes.
This is your cunning plan to get your truck filled up, wasn't it? Of course.
Yes.
If we had to act, we'd be out of business soon. We'd be so out of business.
Couldn't get an Oscar for this.
Yeah. Well, then you have to be half naked, Andre. Nobody wants to see 2 middle-aged men half naked, even though those shoes are good. So.
Salivas.
Yes.
You see this?
Yes.
As always, we wait about 30 seconds, let everything settle. And just a small top off, as always. Bam. Now we're ready to go.
Andre, tell me about the Denver 100.
Well, it's actually 111 miles all the way around Denver, Colorado, using the toll road. And we've been running this loop for several years. And before that, we ran other highway loops as well.
Basically, this should give us a good idea of what kind of fuel economy both trucks are getting, because 111 miles on the highway should give us some good data.
Well, that's why we're pushing it a little bit longer than maybe others would. And we're running it at the same time, obviously same day, which is same environmental conditions.
Yeah, so same temperature, same wind, we're fighting the same traffic, so it's about as apples to apples comparison as can be done.
Did you know that my old truck has adaptive cruise control system?
Congratulations, Andre. That is the best news of the day.
So my truck may have old tech, but it still has a couple of nice features.
Andrew, I know that you got a certified pre-owned warranty on your Tundra, but did you know that you can get an extended warranty on a brand new Tundra?
I did know this, and you could do it by clicking the link below with our friends at GrangerWarranty.com, and you could save money up to about $1,000 on average compared to other places. It's factory backed. You can get certified parts and certified work done at any dealership across the country.
Yeah, so it's not, some aftermarket warranty. It's actually factory parts, factory technicians fixing your vehicle if and when it breaks, especially if it goes and when it goes out of the manufacturer warranty.
Exactly.
Just click on the link below and get peace of mind.
Roman, you have a very fancy rally edition of the Tundra, the new one, but I also have 3 peaks here. I'm not sure what this is about. I bought the truck this way, but I also have 3 different colors. Do you see this?
Yeah, I see that. I also have 3 different stickers and 3 different colors, and I'm not sure that Rally Edition sticker is going to make me more fuel efficient. It does kind of seem like an aftermarket add-on that's already peeling off. Ouch.
Roman, these are trucks, so we have to compare capability as well. This old V8 Tundra, my payload is 1,230 pounds, but look at this. It says my accessories subtract 215 pounds. Oh my goodness. So I don't have a lot of payload, only about 1,000 pounds of payload.
Yeah, I can put that in perspective, Andre. You got less payload than our hybrid Maverick, which is a compact truck.
How much payload is in the new Tundra?
Let's look. Ta-da!
Aha. Yeah, quite a bit more. 1,380 pounds over here.
Well, look at this. Look what else I got.
I
got dual TRD exhaust.
Oh, that's nothing.
What do you mean that's nothing?
Roman, that sounds like a cat's purr. Just a little meow.
No, that is a tiger with its claws out.
Let me show you a tiger.
All right, I have to be honest there. That sounds like a tiger with diarrhea. What? A very gassy tiger. No, I'm kidding, Andre. Yeah, that sounds much better.
This was when TRD exhaust was true benefit, because it's a dual system. It comes out on both sides.
It does sound great.
Sounds great.
But how much is that worth? Is
Probably
it worth?
a lot of efficiency.
Yeah, let's find out. Brief history of Andre's trucks. Now, the reason I'm driving this new Tacoma and he's driving the old Tundra TRD Pro is because he bought it with his own money, which is odd because he bought it about 6 months ago, even though he could have bought this new truck. Now, he did own a Chevy Colorado before then, which he specially ordered, and unfortunately he forgot to check the cruise control box, so he's much happier now with modern cruise control, even though it's an older truck. Before that, he owned the Ford F-150 EcoBoost, and I think that was one of his favorite trucks because it had onboard power, but I can ask him and see which of those three was his favorite, but he seems to be the kind of guy who loves longevity. All right, Andre, people want to know, why'd you buy the old Tundra?
Because V8. Well, actually, a couple of reasons. I've never owned a Tundra or any Toyota pickup truck before. I really wanted a Tundra because of its spaciousness, its room, its capability for towing, and I like that sound.
Yeah, there is nothing like a V8 sound, especially from that dual exhaust. I have to admit, I'm a little jealous of you. Andre, I can taste that bagel now. I am gonna love my free Andre bagel. I think I'm gonna get something with a lot of ingredients on top of it.
Are you gonna get avocado?
I'm gonna get double avocado, Andre. Double, maybe triple.
All right, so I'm assuming your trip meter is showing something over 20.
You are correct, sir. I am definitely showing over 20, and I'm assuming your trip meter is showing an MPG under 20.
You are correct, sir. So, well, we'll have to check the pump, but what is your truck telling you?
I'm gonna read them and you weep, okay? I got, get this, 20.9 MPG.
Wow, that's interesting. So, I'm showing 17.9, so 3 different.
Uh-oh. You might be getting that triple avocado bagel.
You know what? I'm gonna put an egg on mine.
Oh my God, that's more expensive than gold, dude.
Well, okay, let's not get too excited yet because the trip meter may not be precise. Let's get to the pump and figure this out.
Yeah, so right now we're 3 MPG apart, which isn't all that much actually. I thought I would do better. Hey Andre, why does my truck say 107.3 and the GPS says 111?
I don't know. I guess it could be. Were you cutting corners? I mean,
Yeah, I was driving it like Max Verstappen.
apexes.
I was hitting the apex on every single one. So I think we should go with the 111, right?
That's what we've been using for years.
Yeah.
Let's use 111 as our distance.
All right, Andre, click. I'm gonna go.
Top
Second
off.
click.
Yes.
Yeah. Stop! Stop! Damn you! Stop!
What? Are you squeezing it?
Yeah, I'm squeezing it.
Where's it going?
I don't know.
It's 0.1. You just gained 0.2 gallons.
Where's it going? Stop! There it goes. What the? Look at every drop I'm putting in there, Andre. Every drop is going in there. I'm stealing
Dude,
gas.
you're buying bagels.
I'm stealing
I think.
gas from the next person.
111 divided by 4.911 equals 22.6.
What? The game is on, my man. Maybe you're buying the egg bagel.
All right, come on, pump. I mean, we're using the same pumps, Roman, so it should be equal. Everything should be correct.
Drink, my Tundra. Drink.
So when you're buying a new Tundra, so this is of course the next generation you're driving, you have a couple of different options for your fuel tanks. There's a 22 gallon tank, which is pretty small for work trucks, and there's also a 32 gallon tank option. So this is only 38 in my truck.
38.
Only.
Only.
Well, if it's over, let's see, because you were at 4.9 and I just blew past it. Look. Ugh.
Oh.
Okay, let's
gotta
wait
wait.
a second.
Yeah.
Tiny,
Yeah.
tiny pop,
Yeah.
tiny top. Okay.
I'm wondering if my charcoal filter there didn't fill up with gas.
It's not filled up. Come on. Okay, 111,
Yeah.
same distance.
Yeah.
Divide by 5.880. 18.8.
4 miles difference.
I won.
You won the bagel, my man.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. But hey, over the lifetime of the truck,
Yeah.
that's still a pretty big difference.
So let's do some quick math. 12,000 miles.
Okay,
That's the average. What average person drives a year?
divide by 22.6. times $3.64, let's say,
Yeah.
you would be paying about $1,900. And what about me?
Okay.
I would be paying,
Let's call it 2,000. Yeah. 1,000.
divide by 8 times same price for fuel. I'll be paying $2,300 a year. So that's what, $500
Give or take.
you're saving by
yeah.
buying a new truck.
Yeah. That's not a lot.
But it will add up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what that bagel's going to cost me with the eggs. No,
Oh, wait a minute. What is this?
Is that Tommy? Edit. Tommy's doing another video. Hey, Tommy, come over here. All right. So we just ran the MPG loop on the trucks. Which truck? So I bet Andre that the Tundra would get 5 MPG better than his.
Which Tundra?
The new one.
The new one. Yeah. So did I win or lose a bagel?
I think you won the bagel.
Tell them what happened.
It was 4 different. So the new Tundra was 4 MPG better than the old one.
Oh, not bad. Okay.
It was a good result, but he lost the bagel.
You lost the bagel.
And what are you doing?
I'm running an MPG loop on the new 4Runner, and we're running it before and after the front air dam to see if there's any difference.
Have you done both loops or is this the first one?
This is the first loop, and so far the computer says 22.2.
And that's without the thing.
Yes. So I'm gonna fill it up, then we're gonna put the chin on and run it again.
Wait, you have to actually screw the chin on?
Gotta screw the chin on.
His chin goes by itself. It's powered chin.
Well, guys, if you want to find out if the new 4Runner is better with or without the little chin in terms of fuel economy, head on over to All TFL. And as always, I'm going to have to take out a loan to buy that egg bagel for Andre because
Egg
price of
bagel?
bagels are so expensive. We'll see you next time. Ciao.